Identified in the 19th century, Les Maîtreaux site was rediscovered in the 1980s and then excavated from 1994. It is located near a stream, at the bottom of a slope that yields flints of exceptional dimensions and quality. This accessibility of the Grand Pressigny flint is undoubtedly the main reason for the visits of the Solutrean nomads. The site has yielded numerous napping clusters, showing the first stages of manufacturing large laurel leaves, which are never found finished. Only the pieces broken during their manufacture and the waste are remaining. More common, the debitage of blades and bladelets for manufacturing shouldered points and of backed bladelets, intended to constitute a stock of hunting weapons, appears to be the main purpose of these stops. Nevertheless, the production and use on site of a variety of other tools, blades, end scrapers and burins, reveal the diversity of the activities carried out by the group at Les Maîtreaux. The study of the napping waste shows that the site was occupied several times by a small group that included nappers of varying expertise. The ways of napping and fixing errors are identical during each visit, proving that the successive occupants belonged to the same cultural group and that they passed on their know-how. The site is part of a vast network of circulation and exchange. About 20 kilometers away, in Les Roches rock shelter in Abbey, it is possible that some laurel leaves prepared at Les Maîtreaux were carefully finished. The Grand Pressigny flint was exported much further, since it is found in certain Solutrean sites in the north and south of France. Conversely, at Les Maîtreaux, some abandoned tools are made from flints that come from river valleys in central France. The working of coloring materials, which are locally available iron oxides, is also an activity visible at the site. Grouped together on a small area of approximately 20 square meters, these materials could have been used to treat hides. Red hematite, the most common, was obtained by controlled heating, temperature, duration, fuel of goethite, which is naturally yellow in color. Finally, a sandstone plaque engraved with figurative patterns, as well as a flint slab, and engraved cortexes complete the discoveries. Their place in the daily life of the Solutrean groups of Les Maîtreaux, technical, graphic, symbolic activities, remains to be defined. If you continue your visit on this floor, you can still see some Solutrean remains, the low jerry oat hearth, some pieces of portable art and ornaments, and the famous block from the Forno du Diable. Then move on to the temporary exhibition room, passing through the exterior to discover the magnificent views from our terraces, and the castle that once housed the museum, as well as the statue of Paul Dardet. You can also reach the rest of the exhibition by going back through the hall.